It's hard to get excited about a new Toyota Camry, the car that people love to rag on as an appliance or the car you buy, because you've owned 6. But for the last few years, Toyota engineers have been doing something to the Camry you might not have noticed. They've made it look good, and for the 2025 model year, they've gone even further, making the Camry a genuinely attractive-looking car and giving it an interior that's going to make a lot of jaws drop. There are even sporty versions with sport suspensions, purposeful aerodynamics, low-profile tires and a hot red leather cockpit. What's not to like about all this? Well, the powertrain, perhaps. I took a look up close at the 2025 Camry, ahead of the 2023 Los Angeles Auto Show. For people still interested in a family sedan over an SUV, the Camry provides a truly stylish possibility. I dare say it looks more racy and appealing than the latest Honda Accord, which, while attractive in its own way, still looks rather hulking and thick. The Camry, by contrast, looks light and sinuous with its new hammerhead grille shape, flanked by LED headlights. The overall look isn't that different from the outgoing model, but it's fresher and more in tune with the rest of Toyota's changing showroom. Those good looks extend into the interior, but the standout star of the lineup isn't the top-of-the-line XSE trim with its optional cockpit red leather interior. No, it's the XLE with its new quilted pattern dash and doors, which really grab your attention. Toyota calls the new interior look an open-style cockpit, and while I'm not really sure what that refers to, the new designs are certainly attractive. For sure, the interior is more visually interesting than what's found in the Accord, and it's nice to see well-integrated touchscreens coexisting with hard buttons too. As before, there's plenty of room in front and back, and with the new larger seats Toyota has created for the Camry's front occupants, it's even more of a nice place to spend some time.